Today I replaced the drain pump on my LG dishwasher. Here's a picture of the tag. It's about a 10-year-old model LDF 777-4ST. Some of the symptoms I was having is the dishwasher was not finishing its cycle intermittently. It was making a lot of noise, and when it did not finish the cycle, it would beep and flash OE, which is a drain error. So what I'm showing you here is the drain pump. I took off the front panel. The dishwasher does not need to be removed in order to access this. It's just the front panel with 2 screws. And I'm showing you the new pump and the old pump that's still on there. Here's the old pump disassembled. I bought the new pump on Amazon for $92 shipped. Don't make the same mistake I did. Don't buy the $211 pump. This is the recirculation and washing pump, which is not what you need to replace. For reassembly with the new pump, I would recommend installing the drainage discharge line first, followed by the electrical harness, followed by the 2 rubber brackets, and finally the inlet pipe, which is the thicker, bigger diameter rubber hose. One of the struggles here was just access to get in here because I'm working in about a 4-inch gap underneath the dishwasher. Maybe a pair of very long or angled needle nose could have been better for the application. Here I'm installing the inlet hose to the pump using a pair of needle nose, which fits better in the tight space. Lastly, after everything's snugged up, I power on the unit. I put a cup of water into the bottom of the dishwasher, and holding these 2 buttons, it enables a drain mode indicated by DR, and I can hear the pump spinning, and it's actually draining for the first time in a little bit. The new pump is significantly quieter. I guess I just didn't realize over time how loud the old pump had gotten. Here's the old pump. The bearings are pretty clearly shot. It's got a lot of shaft play, and it's not the easiest to rotate.